Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you how to find LCM by common division method. So as we know in prime factorization also we divide the numbers, but there we divide 12 separately and 42 separately. But here in common division method you have to divide 12 and 42 at a time. So we'll see the method here, 12 and here 42. So as we know, here also you have to use prime numbers only, prime factors only to divide 12 and 42. So just first think about the 12. So which is the prime number which will divide 12 completely? 2 and 3, because last number is 2. So we can divide this with 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, or 12 comes in table of 3. So we can divide. So I'll choose 2 first. So here 0 because 1 is less than 2, then 2 6 are 12. At a time you have to check for second number also, whether it is divisible. Suppose it is divisible, divide 42 with 2, otherwise keep as it is. So we can divide because last number is even number. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Next, think about this 6 only. So 6 we can divide with 2. So here 2 3s are 6, but we cannot divide this 21 with 2, so keep 21 as it is. Next, think about this 3. 3, it can be divisible by only 3. So we'll take 3 1s are 3, and even you have to try to divide this 21 also. So 21 comes in table of 3. So 3 here 0 because 2 is less than 3. Then 3 7s are 21. Now once you got here 1, stop here. Now think about this 7. So 7, it is divisible by 7, that is the prime number. 7 1s are 7. Now whenever you get the 1 in both the columns, you have to stop. Now the LCM of 12 and 42. Just multiply these all factors. So by which all factors you have divided 12 and 42, these factors you have to multiply. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 2s are 4. Then 3 7s are 21. And 4 into 21 you have to do. 21 into 4, or 21 4s are can write directly. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM of 12 and 42 is 84. The meaning is what? This is the lowest number that comes in the table of 12 and 42, or this is the lowest number or the lowest common multiple, that is LCM of 12 and 42. Now we'll take the example where we have the 3 numbers. So let us take the number 30, 48 and 120. So similarly you can find out the LCM of many numbers, not only limited to 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So 30, 48 and 20. So we have to divide these 3 numbers with a common number. But don't think about thinking that by which number we are going to divide all the 3. Just first think about the 30. So with prime number you have to divide. So first prime number is 2. So we can divide because last digit is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remains. So consider this as 10, 2 5s are. At the same time check for these 2 also, whether they will be divisible by 2 or not. Here we have the 8, so we can divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again here also we can divide with 2, 2 1s are 2, 0. So completely you have to check. You should not let 48 as it is and 20 as it is. Suppose any number it is there, let us take 49, that you cannot divide with 2, that you have to keep as it is. And again divide this 20 with 2. Again think about this number 15. So we cannot divide this with 2 completely. So go for next prime number, that is 3. So 15 is multiple of 3, so we can divide. So here 1 is there, put 0, 3 5s are 15. Then check for these 2 also. We can divide this 24 with 3. 2 0 here. So 3 8s are 24. But 10 is not completely divisible by 3. So we'll keep this as it is. Next, think about this 5. So 5 is only the prime number. So we have to divide this 5 with itself only. 5 1s are 5 and check for 8. So 8 is not multiple of 5. So keep as it is and check for 10. So 5 2s are 10. So here you got 1, leave this column. Now try to divide this 8 completely with the prime number. So we cannot divide this 5 with 3. We can divide this with 2. So 2 4s are 8. Here also we can divide 2 1s are 2. So in these two column we got 1. So stop here. Divide this with prime number. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 divide with 2. 2 1s are 2. So 1 1 we got. Stop here. Now the LCM of, so we can write of like this also. You can put the numbers in bracket of 30, 48 and 120 is, multiply these all factors. So 2 into, I'll write all the 2 together because in multiplication we can change the order. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be easy to get the solution 3 and 5. Or you can write as it is. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 3 5s are 15. Then 4 4s are 64. Sorry. 4 4s are 16 into 15. So 16 into 15, find out. 16 into 15. So you can say just directly table up 15, or you can. So 15 6 are 90, 0 and 9. 15 1s are 15 and 9, that is 24. So you can do like this. Otherwise separately you can multiply. 5 6 are 30, 3. 5 1s are 5 and 3 is 8. Plus 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So here you have 0. Here you will have 14. So 1 here and 240. So the LCM of this number is 240.